Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Viktor in Wild Rift. To start, focus on efficient minion farming in the early game to build your gold advantage. Use your Siphon Power, Viktor's first ability, to both harass your lane opponent and secure those crucial last hits. Always keep an eye on the minimap to prevent surprise attacks and be ready to rotate if your teammates need assistance. Your primary goal is to upgrade your Hex Core as quickly as you can. As you transition into the mid-game, completing your first major item, such as Lichbane or Luden's Echo, will significantly boost your damage output. This is the time to actively participate in skirmishes around key objectives like the Dragon or Rift Herald. Utilize your Gravity Field, Viktor's second ability, to effectively zone out opponents or create opportunities for your team to secure kills. Remember to keep investing in your Hex Core upgrades for maximum power. In the late game, teamfights become critical. Always position yourself safely behind your front line, allowing them to absorb initial damage. Unleash your ultimate, Chaos Storm, directly into the enemy backline to deal massive area of effect damage and disrupt their formation. Your Gravity Field can also be used defensively to protect yourself or peel for your allied carries. Prioritize eliminating high-priority targets such as enemy carries or squishy mages. Let's quickly review Viktor's abilities. Siphon Power, your first ability, not only deals damage, but also grants you a temporary shield and empowers your next basic attack. Gravity Field, your second ability, creates a zone that slows enemies, stunning them if they remain inside for 1.5 seconds. Death Ray, your third ability, is a potent linear skill shot that deals significant damage. Finally, Chaos Storm, your ultimate, is a mobile area of effect ability that deals continuous damage and can be redirected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.